Welcome. Welcome to Ahmad Arabic class. Me, Ahmad Arabic coach. Continue to spoken Arabic series. This is lesson number 16. And I hope you might have watched from lesson number 1 till lesson number 15. And in this lesson, in lesson number 16, we will learn about weather and seasons. It's important. And before I begin, I would like to inform you, if anyone wants to read and write Arabic, can visit my channel Ahmad Arabic class and get all videos on reading and writing with name of foundation course. And also would like to inform, if anyone wants to start speaking Arabic, visit my channel Ahmad Arabic class and get all videos in playlist with name of spoken Arabic series. And I would like to request you, please like, share, and subscribe my channel Ahmad Arabic class. Let's begin. And today we will learn is weather and season. So weather and seasons. Weather and seasons. Weather. So weather. Weather word is tax. Okay, tax. And season. And season word you can say fasal, or you can say mausam. Mausam. Okay. And one more word is climate. Climate is jaw. All other sound you can say go. Go. Okay. So let's use in sentence. Okay. Suppose how is the weather? So how to say how is the weather today? How is the weather? How is the weather today? To say in simple is a spoken Arabic. Say simple today. And كيف تقص, right? كيف تقص اليوم. كيف تقص اليوم. كيف تقص اليوم. How's the weather today? كيف تقص اليوم. How's the weather today? Suppose answer is today is very hot. Okay, today is very hot. Okay, yeah, just say hot. Today is hot. We can say اليوم. اليوم حار. اليوم حار. And very hot. Very hot you can say حار جدا. حار جدا. Okay, or you can say حار كثير. حار كثير also, right? So you can say very hot, حار جدا, or حار كثير. So كيف تقص اليوم؟ حار كثير. يا كيف تقص اليوم؟ حار جدا. Okay, now and now suppose if you want to say okay, is cold. Okay, cold. Today is cold, right? So you can say اليوم اليوم بارد. اليوم بارد. And very cold, so you can say very cold. You can say اليوم بارد كثير. بارد كثير. Or you can say بارد جدا. بارد جدا. Done. Okay. Now now see related words, related vocabularies. So barid and cold, and now is I suppose very cold and very hot, and can say is windy. Windy is asifi. Okay, and you can say is foggy. You can say dubabi. You can say cloudy. Okay, so cloudy, you can say gumami. Gumami. So asifi and dubabi and gumami, and hot. Okay, and I write again is hot. Hot is har, and sorry, hot is har. Hot. So hot is har, and cold, and cold is barid. Barid. Okay, and very word you can say jidda, or you can say katir. Okay, katir. And so foggy and windy, okay, and cloudy. Okay, and you can say good or bad. Good, you can say good, you can say use then, or you can say then, you can say taxopoise. So for good, you can use this word. Tamam? So I hope you got it. Okay, now, okay, good job. Now next is talks about is, and you can ask how is the climate. So you can say كيف جو. كيف جو, how is the climate? كيف جو, كيف جو في إمارات. Suppose كيف جو في إمارات, you can say كيف جو في إمارات. So you can say suppose is good. Okay, جو زين. جو زين في إمارات Emirates. جو زين, جو كويس, climate is good. You can say جو بارد, climate is cold. Okay, one more word is rainy. Okay, so rainy word is matari. Sorry, matir. Matir. So matir means is rainy. You can say today climate is rainy. You can say today climate is rainy. So today climate climate is rainy. You can say اليوم 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 جو ماطر. Rainy. Done. Okay, now about season. Season, first say suppose is summer, right? Summer, you can say safe. Okay, and winter, you can say shita. Okay, and monsoon, you can say matar is monsoon. Okay, and autumn, right? Autumn. So autumn, you can say kharif. Autumn is kharif. And spring, right? Spring, you can say rabi. Rabi. Okay, now make question and let's see in sentence, right? Let's see in sentence. Yeah, yes, let's use in sentence. Suppose how many season in Imarat? Okay, come fasal fi imarat. Come fasal fi imarat. How many season? How many? How many? How many seasons? How many seasons in Emirate? In Emirate, answer is suppose two. Suppose two, yeah, three. Okay, so talata, talata fasal. Okay, talata fasal fi imarat. Talata fasal fi imarat. You can say summer. Number one is summer. Number one is saif, summer. Number two, itnain. Number two is shita. And number three is mata, monsoon. Okay, so saif, shita, mata. Okay, and how many seasons? And it comes fasal fi hind in India. You can say khamsa, five. Okay, matar, saif, shita, matar, kharif, and rabi. Tamam. So it's about season. Okay, now tomorrow word is temperature. About temperature, temperature. Okay, so temperature is called darja miyawiya. Darja miyawiya. Darja sorry. Temperature is darja harara. Harara. Darja harara means temperature. Suppose how much the temperature today? How much temperature today? So how much temperature? How much temperature today is the question. How much is the temperature today? You can say suppose 40 degree, 40 degree Celsius, 40 degree Celsius, 40 degree Celsius. You can say arba'in, arba'in darja miyawiya means degree Celsius. So question is how much the temperature today? And so how much the temperature today? And question in Arabic is kam darja harara, kam darja harara. Kam darja harara al-yawm. How much the temperature today? So kam darja harara al-yawm. This is a question. Kam darja harara. Kam darja harara. Kam darja harara. This question. Kam darja harara al-yawm. How much the temperature today? Okay. How much the temperature today? So this line, this two line, this. How much temperature today? In Arabic, kam darja harara al-yawm, and answer is 40 degrees Celsius. Arba'in darja miyawiya. 40 degrees Celsius. Degree Celsius means darja miyawiya. 40 degrees Celsius. Arba'in darja miyawiya. Okay, tamam. Okay, yes. So I hope you might have enjoyed this lesson, weather, season, and temperature. Okay, and you might have enjoyed and understood. Okay, you can use in your daily conversation. So keep practicing. We'll see you in next class. Okay, thanks for watching, and uh, i I would like to request, please like, share, and subscribe my channel for Ahmad Arabic class. We'll see you in next class. Ma'as salama, niharak saeed. Have a nice day.